Let's find the 6 trig functions when t is 13 pi over 6. What happened here? Well, I went all the way around the circle more than one. Remember I talked about coterminal? The coterminal angle for 13 pi over 6 is pi over 6. Because if I add 2 pi to this, which would be 12 pi over 6, that's where I get the 13 pi over 6. Or I take this one really and minus 2 pi, I would get pi over 6. So that's real important. That's my t would be what? 13 pi over 6 is the same thing as pi over 6. And where's pi over 6? Right there. 13 pi over 6 and pi over 6 are coterminal. So my point's going to be what? Square root of 3 over 2 for x and 1/2 for y. Notice, there we go. So when I plug these in, sine is y, it's just going to be the 1/2. Cosine is just the x. It's going to be the square root of 3 over 2. Tangent is going to be the y over the x. So it's the 1/2 value over the square root of 3 over 2. 2's are going to cancel, give me 1 over square root of 3, or square root of 3 over 3 when you rationalize. Has to be rationalized. So cosec is going to be that reciprocated, so it's going to be what? 2. Sec is going to be that one reciprocated. So I'm going to basically have 2 over the square root of 3, which when you rationalize would be 2 square roots of 3 over 3. And then lastly, this one rationalized, 2's are going to cancel, leaving me just the what? Square root of 3. Or if you flip this one, what do you get? Square root of 3. Flip's really not the best word. I probably should use the word reciprocal. But there's one. How do you find it? If you're not given a value exactly on the unit circle, you got a coterminal angle instead.